Hey Ronnie Ronnie, I'm feeling kinda hungry, but then you say you can order, but you can't eat it. Wait, that's so unfair.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna be making Japanese porridge, kanzi, whatever you call it, short grain rice as known as sushi rice. Let's go! First, wash the rice until the water becomes almost clear. Add water. Set the stove at medium-low. Once you see the foam like this, stir a few times and reduce the heat to low. Partially cover like this. I'm using chopstick and let cook for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make soft scrambled eggs. It only takes 5 seconds. That's it. Set aside. Now it should be ready. Put some salt. Soft scrambled eggs. It's done. It's very simple and brings the best out of the ingredients. So this video is actually for one of my subscriber, Heiner from Germany. His tonsils have been taken out, so he can barely talk, and he needs some food that's very soft, so I made this. It's the least I can do. Thanks for ordering and get well soon. Alright guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.